This program 5-8 is a good example of when to use a do-while loop. Here, the program itself is going to get 3 test scores from the user, calculate the average, display the average, and then it's going to ask them, would you like to average another set, yes or no? And if the user says yes, it'll go through. If the user says no, it will not. So you'll see here I have a character again, where the user is going to enter either a Y or an N, depending on if they'd like to run the program again. Now, it's a good use of a do-while loop, because if the user runs the program, they probably want to run it at least one time. So a do-while loop will allow you to run it once and then check to see if they'd like to do it again before going through the loop. So here, and you'll just see at the end, do you want to average another set, yes or no? Cn again, which is our character variable. Then while again is equal to an uppercase Y or again is equal to a lowercase y, we want to run the program again. And it's always good to give the user options between uppercase and lowercase because you never know what they might enter. So I'm going to run this program. And I'm going to enter 3 scores, 80, 90, 100. The average is 90. Would you like to average another set? I'll say yes. 88, 89, 90. And the average is 89. Would you like to average another set? And I'll say no. Another thing that you can do is you can use the to upper or the to lower function, which were introduced in the previous chapter, if you don't want to use an or operator. So I could do something like this, to upper. It'll take whatever character the user enters and convert it to uppercase. So now I only need to check this against an uppercase Y. Okay, so again, 78, 79, 89. The average is 82. Would you like to average another set? Yes. And would you like to average another set? I'll say no. And similarly, you could use to lower and compare this to a lowercase y, and it would do exactly the same thing.